Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello third grade. How are you? I hope you always happy and healthy. Okay, today Usada have the project. The project name is Angry Bird Shooter. Nah, if you click green flag click this game, the score always 0, the speed always 5, and then the miss shoot always 0. Okay? The mission of this game, you can shoot the angry bird. If you can shoot the angry bird, so your score can add 1. You can shoot with using the click. If you click the angry bird so you can shoot. Nah. Okay, if you cannot shoot the angry bird, so the miss shoot can add 1. Okay, and then if you can shoot the score at 1 and then the speed can add 2. So if the speed add, so the movement of the angry bird can be fast. Okay, if your score is 5, so you can be the winner. But if your miss shoot is 10, so your game is game over. Okay, we can try to play. I want to try if I be the winner. Okay, I want to click green flag. This is I can shoot the 5 of the angry bird, so I'm be the winner, and then this is my speed. Okay, now I want to try if I cannot shoot. If I cannot shoot, so my miss shoot is at 1. This is I'm miss shoot 10, so this is my game is game over, like that. Okay, so this game there is 3 backdrop. The first is the colorful city, and then the second if I be the winner, and then the last is I'm game over. And then there is 3 variable. The first variable is score, the second variable is speed, and then the last variable is miss shoot, like that. Okay. Okay, thank you for your time. You can try at your home. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.